Welcome, welcome, welcome. Look at it. Hey! Woo! There's no one on it.
Well, I'm trying to get there, but I can't find the thing. Can't find the thing. Is it on the map 8?
It's math chat, comma, our date.
Are you on? Are you live?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, my God. Look at that.
Can I talk? What happens to a frog's car when it breaks down? It gets towed away. Ba-dum-bum.
Someone said it pees. I thought it croaks.
It croaks.
That's good.
Thanks. Are they asking any questions?
I got a good one. Ready?
Okay.
Why was 7 afraid of? Why did 7 eat 9? What was it? Oh no.
8.
What was? Oh no, I'm missing it. Why was 6 afraid of 7? Because 7 ate 9. But why did 7 eat 9?
You know the movie film.
I know.
I know.
Why did 7 eat 9? Because 7 needed 3 square meals a day.
Oh my gosh.
Do we only have math chats on Monday?
No. I'm Wednesday.
They're every day. The schedule's online.
Lucky you.
Yep. So you just have to log in just like this. Oh my God, there's 15 people. Oh my God, I have 3 likes.
Oh, you like us. Yay. Are you guys bored yet?
Let's see. They don't like to chat.
Let me look. Because 9 is mean. I am. No.
I don't know who
Do you
that
guys
is.
have any math questions for your test on Thursday?
I've never even heard of any of these people.
Because they're all doggies, probably.
No?
Are some of them mine?
No.
Tessa Littlefield. She said,
Tessa!
oh, hi.
Hi,
Oh, Tessa's definitely on.
Tessa! Tessa's the best.
Someone's asking, can they go to the bathroom?
Yes, you can go to the bathroom, just not.
I don't know.
We don't
Don't fall in.
fall in.
I'm confused with the graphing part. What are you confused about with the graphing part? Cam, what's your question about that?
That's not my question.
I know, no, Cam asked.
Oh,
Cam.
Cameron.
Cameron is one of mine. She's asking, I'm confused with the graphing part.
Which?
What part are you confused with the graphing part? Like plotting points?
Yeah. What part?
Here.
Plotting the points? What number?
I don't know. I think, let's see. I bet it's this one.
Number 9?
Oh, no, number 7.
Mmm.
That could be it.
Mmm.
What email?
Oh.
Ignore something.
What, or
No, what number?
what number? Or what problem?
What problem, Cam?
$21.
That's pretty good.
Tell me like 2 on
Who is Corona made me do it? On the graph.
Okay, let's do it. Should we do it?
On the graph.
I don't know.
Are we doing problem number 7, Cam? You're driving us crazy here. Come on.
I don't know.
We're waiting, Cam. Everybody's waiting on you. Tessa, do you have a question?
Remember, Cam.
Oh, Cam wants help figuring out to solve for C.
Solve
my
for
gosh.
C.
All right, do you have your
Oh, yes, right here.
Okay, we got this.
So we have these points. So I have to make it.
So we're going to graph 6, 2.
Number
We're doing
7.
number 7 on the review.
So we got
Go
6
over 6,
down to -2.
down 2. Over 6, down 2.
And then -5.
So we're going to go backwards 5,
and then up 7.
up 7. All right, turn that around.
So this is what our graph looks like. Okay.
So from there, in a different color,
We're gonna make our triangle.
so we can solve for that diagonal. Look at that.
So there we go. So the blue is our legs, and then the red is what we're solving for, which is our hypotenuse. We can count to find our blue legs, and that's why if we actually had our graph, it would help.
6, -2. How am I doing?
It's okay. I think it's backwards.
Oh, it is. Yeah. Wait.
You want me to write it? This is 6 -2,
Okay.
and this
Good.
is
-5,
-5,
7. So we were okay.
7.
Good.
There we go. There's our points. So now we can count them.
No, leave it. I want to count. This is fun. All right, put it down so they can see your face. This is
I
beautiful.
don't want to see it. I don't
Yeah.
want to see it.
So it goes all the way up from 7, all the way down to -2. That's a difference of
9.
9. So that is 9 long. How's it looking?
I think it's looking
Okay.
good. It's backwards on
Woo!
it.
And then, oh, it's backwards, huh?
I don't
So it's 6 all the way to -5. That's 11. Now we're just going to do the Pythagorean theorem. We're going to do 9 squared plus 11 squared equals this guy squared. How's that look?
Looks good.
Okay,
I think we might have to erase it
that's okay.
for room because 9 squared is 81. 11 squared is 121. When we add them together,
You get a big number.
we get a really big number that
Here's a big number.
I might not be able to do. So let's do it. So we get, so we have 9 squared plus 11 squared equals C squared. Moving it over to a new board. So we get 81 plus 121 equals C squared. So then we add them together, we get 2, 0, 202. Take the square root of both sides, you would use a calculator. And since 202 is not a perfect square, we use our squiggly lines, which is an approximation. And it would be
A number.
14.2.
14.2. And remember, we round to the nearest tenth. There is our answer. Everyone good? Cam, does that make sense? I have to look through the chat now to make sure everyone's good. Awesome! She said thank you. Woo! We helped someone. I feel so special. Woo!
Sure.
Yay! This is so cool.
Why turn on?
Maria, are you talking about number 10 on the review?
Is that Gamboa?
No, it's one of mine.
This one's dead.
Are we talking about number 10 on the review packet? Oh gosh. Okay, number 10 on the review. You gotta get a eraser. Let's see. Number 10, a right triangle is inscribed into a circle. Determine the area of the shaded region. Use 3.14 for pi, round to the nearest tenth. So, also, Jacob just sent me just write your name on the email. So we got a circle and our triangle. And we have, this is 6 squared, or 6 and 8. So that's question. Now, this is where Pythagorean theorem comes in. We can find our hypotenuse right here. That's going to end up being our diameter of the circle, which is what we need. So we're finding C. So this is where we get 6 squared plus 8 squared equals c squared, because 6 and 8 are our legs. Then there's two things we can do. 6 and 8, that's a Pythagorean triple, or we can do all the work, and we get 36 plus 64 equals c squared.
Sorry.
You're good. Add them together, we get 100. Square root both sides, and we get c equals 10. Kit, is it backwards?
No,
Oh,
perfectly fine.
on my side it is.
Oh,
Just making sure. So we can now replace 10 in our triangle. Now we're going to use that. So we need to find the area of a circle,
no.
which is pi r squared. So we need to find radius, and remember radius is 1/2 our diameter. So that's what we're going to use first. So 1/2 of 10 is 5. I'm going to use a different marker. Lily, ask your question in a minute. So we're going to take 5. We're going to bring it over to our radius, which is over here. And so we get area equals pi 5 squared. So we get area of the circle is 25 pi. So area equals, and we would use a calculator. I don't have a calculator.
Just put one on your desk.
Yes, you did. It's under all my stuff. So 25 times 3.14. Equals 78.5. And don't forget, our units is squared, so we have centimeters squared. So that's the area of our circle. Remember, we can use that to represent our area. How did I get 5 for this question? So that comes back to this. It was our diameter for our circle. Our diameter, we're going to use that to find our radius, which is half of it. So there are 2 radii in a diameter, so we want half of it to go over here. So going back here, that would be our whole area of a circle. But if you look at the actual question, we got to take away the triangle. So we got to find the area of the triangle, which is super easy. Area of the triangle is 1/2 base times height, which is 6 times 8, which equals 48 divided by 2 is 24 centimeters squared. So then we take our circle minus our triangle. And then we get 54.5 centimeters squared. That is your answer. Right there. Everyone good with that one? Good? Not so good? Questions about maybe number 10? Awesome.
Everybody wanted number 10, didn't they?
Yeah.
Which one's number 10?
That was on the review sheet. Yeah, Lily, that was on the review sheet. Let's see. Yeah. I got 19 people and 10 likes.
Woo! She's very likable. Where's your lid?
I don't know. It's right here.
Let's see.
Yes, I don't know.
Hi, Bethel. Oh, I can't hear you talking so loud, Bethel. Oh, man.
Wow.
Oh, you don't know.
You are sarcastic.
I love you, Bethel. He knows I do.
What did you do?
I don't know who Mr. Nobody is. Oh,
Are any of those kids mine?
probably. I don't know.
Oh, what are they?
Oh, we're going to be doing the math test on Edulastic. It's going to be online. We posted in Google Classroom. So get ready for it. You've got to be there at 10 a.m. to take it. It is timed.
Yeah. So Jack, you just need to make sure you're in by 10. If you can't, it just has to be finished by noon. So you have like a 2-hour period to take the test.
Hi, Teresa. She said hi.
Oh, one of my students, their sister had you.
Oh,
Do we want 12? Yana, did you want 12 still? The math test is on
there
Thursday.
is no number 12.
Oh, I had a number 12.
Mm.
I added parts to it because there wasn't a review on it. So number
Hi,
12
Ava.
on my review packet. And the test is 10 to 12 on Thursday, this Thursday. So I have to open mine.
She's opening it. Look, you can have an action shot. Go ahead. You just
Okay,
keep
look at,
working.
there we go. There's my
Woo, look at her.
all of my little things.
And there are other teachers. Look, they're all at my desk. Oh, we've been working all weekend for your math classes. So, whew, oh, lots of work.
Right here.
Oh, she didn't post it in this, the one that.
So, oh gosh.
All your homework is going to be submitted through Google Classroom.
So normally, our.
Oh, yes.
When is lunch? Who is Corona made me do this?
They've been
When
asking
is
some
lunch?
weird questions. So yeah, I added stuff. So you're asking to determine the length of blank and blank of the given trapezoid. I need to download this as a PDF.
Putting a due date, putting your topic, you want a topic, and then don't hit the sign.
One moment.
You're good.
Technical difficulties.
But this isn't.
Because I have the PDF version of my
Okay, so that's.
my computer.
So once you guys, I can like Facebook when my sister posts.
Number 12. We're working on that, Cam.
Number 12. Can anybody tell what are we finding the lengths of? I don't have my PDF version of
Teresa,
it.
you already got the test review. It's also attached to my calendar. You already got it. We worked on it in class.
School ends at 2:30, right? Oh, I don't know.
I don't know when school ends.
It
I don't
ends
think
when
it goes that
ends.
late. Yeah. Math is 10:30 to noon, Tuesday, Thursdays. That's all we know about. All right. You want to show them that problem?
Yeah, I can't. I don't know what the.
Oh.
I think I did TV and WV. So
Yeah.
TV and UW. So this is
All right,
our
Cameron,
shape.
we're working on number 12 right now.
TV. Okay, I was right. So here's our
Everybody
shape.
who doesn't have Miss Farrell's number 12, this is what it looks like, trapezoid. We're going to find the diagonals.
Where that.
Boop, boop. There
and
they are.
This is TUVW.
Sorry.
Which one?
Is that yours or mine?
That's mine.
Oops,
I brought it.
I tried to take your pen.
Rude.
I know.
Okay. So we're going to have to make triangles to solve for these.
That one already is a right triangle.
So let's solve that one first because that one's the easier one.
If only, oh, we got a count on there.
Yep.
How far away is W from U?
W from V, you mean? That's
Yep.
V.
Okay.
5.
5. And how tall from U to V?
3.
3. Look at that. So we're going to go 3 squared plus 5 squared equals, and then this is actually, do you want me to call it WU?
You can. We've been doing C.
C?
just
Okay,
to
there
keep
it is, C. All right. So that's 9 plus 25 equals C squared. That is 34. Ooh, that does not look like a 3.
And we take the square root of it. It is 5.83, which means that we round it down. So it's just
All right,
5.8.
5.8.
And what did Miss Shaw forget?
To label it,
Also,
units and approximately, there's no room. Square, there, I got everything.
it wouldn't be unit squared. It's just units because it's a length.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not area, duh.
Yeah.
Oh, come here.
No, I don't want to see these.
Miss Joyce wants to see
Yeah,
you.
we don't forget units and then our approximation sign.
How do you know who's in there?
You read.
You can read the names.
I don't
You
know.
can
Any of
read
She's
these
not
kids?
good at reading, you know.
No,
she
that's
does
why I'm a
math.
math teacher. Duh. I don't know any of these kids.
They're all
Yours get them.
My kids are so smart, they don't need you. guys.
Yeah, sorry.
No, none of them.
I don't know.
Teresa's in here a lot.
I like Teresa.
So now we have to
Teresa
find
must be bored. All right, now we're gonna find
TV.
TV, which is not a right triangle. Can you guys see that? Here, let me get rid of this guy.
Yeah, none of these
Mm,
are.
all right, we're coming
And
back.
this. We're not dealing with that
No.
anymore.
Yep. All right, this guy right here, we got a problem with. Do you like I just jumped in? Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna draw our own. Look at that. Can we make our own? Can you see that? Woo! I know we could
Or-
teach art.
Or we can use this length right here.
Oh, I like that one better. Do you guys like that better? Okay, so you can draw one, or check that out. That guy already had a 90-degree up there. Oh, Miss Farrell, you're amazing. So wise.
I know.
Woo!
Why is it on my ears?
Yeah, and I think this was 3. UV was 3, and TU.
Is 3.
It's a 3 by 3.
Yeah.
Woo! So 3 squared is 9. 3 squared is 9 equals this guy. I don't know. Call it x squared.
And we take the square root of 18 is 4.24, which means it stays the same. So we get x is approximately 4.2.
And look, I put approximately on there, and then units, and that's it. And then I get an A and a happy face from Miss Farrell.
Woo!
Dun dun. Woo! All right, Cam. Hope you like that one. That's on your test, everybody. What's next? We're looking.
I'm trying.
Okay, Mr. Nobody, we're gonna delete you, Game Monster, in just a minute. Also,
Just block them.
we might block you if you keep filling up our feed, you ding dongs. Any real math questions? Wow, she really did like me, Teresa.
Why did you cross the red lines? Oh, just to show that they're the two lines. Those are the lines we're finding. You don't have to cross them. You can do them as separately.
Oh yeah, I just drew them all at
It's
once,
just
both at one time.
Showing the line.
Yeah.
Hi,
Hi, Abiella.
Hi, Georgia. I see you.
Oh,
Hi, everyone.
that was Ms. Grimbois.
What?
I think we got it. Can I chew num? Oh, Ava, don't make me spank you through video. No chewing gum. Oh my gosh. There, I think that's
I
good.
think that's good.
Yeah. How are we doing? Oh, we got 8 minutes left. If you have any more questions, ask them now. Otherwise, Tuesday. Who does Tuesday?
Can you do, Lily? Why are you so confused? Are you confused about number 12?
I'm Thursday in front of me.
Can you explain more on number 12? Okay. So you're basically just using the Pythagorean theorem to find diagonals. So you're just kind of like separating it. So here, why don't I draw two pictures? So T-U-V-W, T-U-V-W.
So easy, aren't you?
Okay. So you don't have to turn in the review page. You don't. At least for
Oh, yeah.
mine. Are you guys having them turn in the review packet? Nope. No. Okay. So we're finding these. We're trying to find W, U, UW, and TV. So here's WU and TV. Okay? Our two lengths. We can make a triangle to solve it. Just think about it. It's just solving for between two different points. So you can find right triangles. So one's a right triangle right here. Here's the right triangle right there. Okay? You're just finding right triangles and then using the Pythagorean theorem. And you can do that by finding these lengths, which you can count, and then just solve for like C.
And if I press on one, it opens one.
Does that, Lily, does that kind of make more sense? I don't know. I can keep going.
That's where I would put mine in first.
You're finding two different triangles. Yeah, that's what you're doing. And then just using the Pythagorean theorem twice. Okay, awesome.
I have to.
What other question? I think someone asked about a different problem. Number 9 or something. How do you block a person?
Oh, those 3 little lines or dots on the right hand side. Why is somebody being naughty?
Corona.
Yeah.
Corona made me do it.
Is it put you? Who is it?
You can put them in timeout, but you can also remove them.
8. Number 8. Number 8. A square is rotated 45 degrees and placed on a grid. What is the measure of y, z? You're just using. Oh, Lily said hi, Miss Wamba.
Hi, Lily. Do you have everything for Spanish?
So for number 8, you are given this square that you're trying to solve for. Z, Y, X, W. So there is our shape. It's really bad. Don't judge me.
No, you keep going.
Okay. Now it's asking for you to find YZ. You're just going to use the Pythagorean theorem and make a triangle between Y and Z right there, which is a right triangle. And you can count these 2 sides. You can count those 2 sides and solve for your hypotenuse.
Oh no, they're purposely doing it. They're being removed.
I'm not coming, Georgia, I'm not coming back on live before the test. But Math Chat is live every day, so you can ask questions then. So does that kind of make sense for A? You would count, so it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5 by 5, I believe. And then you just use the Pythagorean theorem.
Did you block it?
You can join any math class.
Yeah.
So then you found that length, which is the square root of 50.
7.1.
It is, wow. Approximately 7.1. And then what is the area? So for B is just, so this is number 8, just in case. You do A equals 7.1 squared. Plug that into your calculator. So 7.1 squared is 50.41. So your area is 50.41 units squared. So A was 7.1 units. Kyla, does that make sense? I know there were a couple of people. Everyone good on that?
Yes, we are, Lily.
For me, you're turning in homework, any late homework, through email to me. Okay.
Google Classroom, dude. Google Classroom.
Jack, you turn in homework online through email to me. Take a picture of it and send it to me.
Oh, you're not doing Google
No, I'm just,
Classroom?
it's all late homework because it's all over the place. So it's a bunch
Everybody else turn it in on Google Classroom.
for Miss Farrell, you can email it to me. Who is that person who just posted? I have no idea who that is.
The white Iranians, you need to change your name.
Yeah, I'm not going to answer that.
Janessa, hi.
Janessa, you want 11? Never mind. Justin, if that's you. I know who.
Well, it's time for algebra.
I
Sorry.
know.
Are you going to go out and come back
I
in?
don't
No,
know. I think it should
let
just
run.
stay live.
Okay. No, I was just
I don't
asking.
know.
All right. Now we're looking.
Is every homework assignment and Mathia due the day of the test? Yes.
No.
What? No, wait, no,
No.
sorry.
Good.
For me. Well, Georgia, just email me.
Yeah.
Just email me.
Hello, culture. Who are you? We should say they have to use their real names.
I know. Catalina, you want number 6?
On which assignment?
Are we, Catalina, on the review packet or it's something else? Algebra did start. Haroon, if you need questions on algebra, what do you have?
You have the review packet?
I do not have the review packet.
Let me go get, oh. We're doing algebra now. Yeah.
Will you give me the math 8 review? Pass it back. Thanks.
Oh, I need it
You need it?
still. Yeah, someone asked for number
No,
6.
They're done.
Do you know? I have a blank one.
Maybe I have one.
Haroon, you're taking the test through.
I have one, Kim.
Oh, my algebra kids haven't used Edulastic.
It doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
You're doing through Edulastic. You just log in.
You just for Haroon, you just log in through Edulastic. I'm going to be posting it through there.
Using your Google account.
Using your Google account, you just say like log in with my Google account, and it's going to be assigned there. You're very welcome, Cam. You can still come in tomorrow if you need help.
I got that.
What do you need? I have a ton.
Okay.
Oh,
Do you mind if I keep it? You're gonna.
I have a whole stack.
Thank you.
So we need one PDF, copies of all the notes.
I'm so glad I could help you, Lily. Good luck. Johnny, you kind of did miss math 8, but what question do you have? Like one quick question you can ask?
You can rewatch this.
Oh yeah, you can rewatch it because you can just back it up and it'll be there.
Can you help with it?
And it will be live tomorrow.
Oh, I know.
Anybody have any algebra questions?
You're asking when you go on?
It's actually really fun.
Were there a lot of math 8 kids?
We got 16 likes. I feel so special. For number 6, how do you find the axis of symmetry? Number 6, given the equation. So there's 2 ways that you can find it. You know that your axis of symmetry goes through your vertex. So you just find your x value, and then it's x equals that. So your vertex for number 6 is 1, -3. That's your vertex for number 6. And then it's just your x value. So it's x equals 1 is your axis
Oh, algebra.
of symmetry.
Because it's a line. Beautiful. Duh.
Ava says, tell Miss Shaw I said hi and thank you.
Goodbye. You're 1 to 2. Nothing. Oh, of course. Here, no. That was nothing.
You can. Show me how to work.
If you
Oh, you have to do it on hers.
Okay.
Who's
Yeah, Mr. Nobody. How do you do it?
Actually report him.
this one?
No.
Yeah, unwanted.
Okay.
Oh.
All right. It's not commercial.
So this one?
How do you block them? You just have report
It's
them.
the 3 little dots on the right-hand side. And it
Um,
says report.
And that's the only option? There's not a
No,
block?
there-
I'm
or-
doing this.
I can't see it.
Okay. 21. We don't.
Are there any other questions for?
Are you still logging for math 8? Oh, she's got the whole screen.
No, we're just doing
No, I was
outline.
doing that for when we were working on prepping stuff.
Do you have Edulastic open?
There are no more
No.
algebra questions?
Come on, algebra.
How many kids are there?
Ask some questions.
20.
You did the slope one already?
When is the next live stream? It is on Google Classroom. There is a
1:30 with me.
Rippy's gonna be on there.
doing it. Yeah.
Figure out how to log in.
Woohoo!
Super easy. Oh, I got 2 blank whiteboards.
Yep.
I'm doing the review packet right now.
Good.
Who's Chris?
Hi, me and Chris.
Well, that's Haroon. That's one of mine. Is it Chris from algebra? Like, you guys have any questions? Putting it together.
Hey, never mind.
How you doing?
I'm good.
Good,
I
good.
feel like there should be more
I
questions.
feel like we're too close. Sorry, we are not practicing safe distance. I just touched my eye. Oh my gosh.
I have whiteboard marker all over my hand.
Oh.
And so
How's he
we
still
go
on
to the library. Don't even know.
That's what we need to do.
Awesome. Okay. When we take the test, will there be videotaping on of us?
Yes, so we'll know if
Yeah.
someone else is taking the test for you.
And then you pick a sign.
Yep, so we know you aren't cheating. Yeah, so please be dressed. That'd be weird.
That would be very weird.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We don't want that.
No.
Ew.
Don't give.
Nope. You have to be on a school computer.
Don't give him ideas.
So you hit the sign. and then you
Wait, actually, yeah,
Copy this.
Haroon's fun. I like Haroon.
it's funny.
Yeah. Where are my algebra students?
Or you-
Man,
or you
I only
can
have
do
2.
this.
so sad. UConn, where are you?
Who's on there?
Where's
They're
Amazon?
probably waiting for you.
No.
Amazon never gets on.
Amazon, what's wrong with you guys? Come on.
Where's the kids? Are any of my kids on there?
We
I don't know. I only know
Is
my
this all the
students.
kids?
Mhm.
I guess we could go here. I wonder. No.
No.
You want to see any of it?
I don't even know who's in.
Here, let's look at Miss Rippy looking at the
Good thing I don't know any of them.
Oh my gosh. Catalina, are you still on here?
None of my kids are on there.
Shame on them.
Oh, so you could ask questions. Guess what? No asking questions unless it's to set it up. My students were freaking out about that.
And that's what?
Is our test on Edge Elastic? Yes, it is, Ethan.
Yep.
It's going to be live there. I'm going to post a reminder.
You have to click a link in Google Classroom.
I'm going to post a reminder tomorrow
tomorrow.
and Thursday, and it's going to be a link that you can click on. But we've been doing it in class. So you can just open Edge Elastic, and it's going to be there.
And you're only going to be able to take the test from 10 to noon. So if you want all 2 hours, get on at 10 a.m. So you've got every minute. Yes, the test will be on Go Guardian.
Yes, it will be. Wait, what if I look down and write on paper to do math?
That's okay.
That's totally fine.
Yeah.
That would be normal. Like, even if it was all online, we would give you a piece of paper to write scratch paper. No, you just have to do it all in your head. No, that's crazy.
But
You're
if you
fine,
look on your
Haroon.
phone instead of paper, then that's a problem. Don't be looking on phones.
There's a difference between looking down and writing on a piece of paper and looking down and cheating on a phone.
Oh my gosh, culture. Good thing you're not here in person. Smack.
You can back it up, and we just answered that question.
And we've posted it in Google Classroom. I don't think we're going to tell you anymore, right?
Yep, I think it's good.
Yeah.
Just rewatch it.
Yeah. I hope you make it.
I don't know who it is, but it's funny.
He's not one of my students because they're used to that.
Wait, what is happening during the test?
You're taking the test? That's
You're
what's
taking the
happening? You're
test
doing
on-
math?
On Thursday?
Math? Bean, what kind of a question is that? Hi, Bean.
That's the problem. I had already done all of it for you.
I know, I just.
I think someone had a question.
I left yours the same.
I don't think so.
Did you come in period
No.
1?
No question. Do you guys have a question on your review?
I don't think so. Maybe they probably haven't started it yet.
Oh, you
Also, I'm going to
procrastinators.
be at
Oh,
college, so
speaking
I
of.
have no laptop to take the test, and my phone is broken.
broken.
Oh, Haroon. Call the front office. Have your mom call the front office
and
And
talk
they-
to them.
Mhm.
They'll make arrangements, but you need to do it before 10 a.m. on Thursday
I would deal with it now, like today.
in case they close the front office.
Yes. What is the meaning of life? If you figure that out, let me know.
It's to be nice and love each other. Don't be mean. Enjoy.
Hi, Jada.
Hi, Jada. I don't know you.
That's fine. I like saying hi to all my students if I can see them.
Yeah, I only have one student on
Do
here,
we have to turn in our review? No, you don't have to turn in the review for my class.
nor mine. Maybe mine. Yes, Bean's making me do it. Bean asked, "Do I have to do the review?" And so I said, "Okay, yes."
If you want more review packets, where can we get it?
Attached to my calendar, if you go to Ms. Shaw's website on my calendar. Oh, except I turned it off. I will turn it on right now. Be right back.
You're good, stay there.
You can't.
Is math eight stuff already done?
The math test is 30 minutes into the earlier period. So
Okay, okay.
we opened it. We don't know, like they're saying the math test is 30 minutes into the earlier period. So we gave you more time to actually work on the test than that block allowed. It shouldn't take you the whole 2 hours to finish the test, but we opened it earlier.
Just for scheduling. If you need to do it earlier, you can.
You don't have to be there at exactly 10 to open it. We're just suggesting to open it at 10. Look at it. It might be faster. Where can we find the review packet? Online? I think you might be able to post it on Google Classroom.
Yeah, my review packet is, Ms. Grambaugh posted it in her Google Classroom. The review packet's on my calendar
It's also in my Google Classroom.
and in Ms. Farrell's Google Classroom.
Is it a short one? Is the test short again?
Yeah.
I think so. It's
Yeah,
pretty.
it's shorter. It's a lot easier than we would like. We'd like to make it harder, but because it's online, we can't.
I don't know my password.
The block 0 is 8 to
You can start
9.
writing down your passwords.
How do we turn in the homework?
Should be right there.
For Haroon, for my homework, send me an email and I'll explain it. Okay.
But from now on, we're going to have you use your phone or your camera with your computer, and you're going to be able to take pictures of your work and upload it, attach it to the assignment.
Yes. We have to turn in the homework. I don't know who Game Monster is.
And we don't know what homework. Yes, you're going to be turning in homework.
How should we turn in bathroom passes?
Sorry, Jeremy. I'm not taking them. I know. Yeah, this test is like a birthday present for you. It's as good as a bathroom pass. Jeremy,
Oh,
good
yes.
to see you. Hi.
Chris, just email me. Or I'll post some. Yeah, email me. Chris is Game Monster. Email me. From algebra. I know. Email me. You said it like 3 times. I can read
We're
it.
delayed.
I know. Oh.
Any questions on the review?
Can I have
Oh, do we like number 15 and 16? Can you do those? Come on. Come on, can you do
You
these?
just showed us the answers.
Yeah, it's a review. Answers. I gave you the answers.
I know.
The answers are here.
Shall you show us the answers? Of course. The answers are on the back.
Yeah.
Maybe more like intense answers.
Colorful.
Culture, FYI.
It's a weirdo.
The dollar sign goes before numbers.
I have
This
over.
is a staring. Look at us.
I
We're just
know,
staring
it's
at this.
I have over 445 subs, not to flex.
I don't understand that.
Haroon, you're gonna be silenced.
Go
Oh, yeah.
away.
The vertex is the highest and lowest point, right? Yes.
Good job.
It's-
There's a math question.
So it depends if it's concave up or concave down. If it's concave down, so it means it's opening down, your vertex is going to be your highest point. But if it's concave up or it opens up, your vertex is going to be the lowest point,
A minimum.
or a minimum versus maximum.
Kim, Grandma, can you walk me through how to get on this?
I already have a YouTube channel. This is it.
Mhm. Dope.
Everybody has
Haroon.
YouTube channel that
I don't have a calculator with square root. I only
Oh.
have my phone.
No. If you have your phone, turn
Just
it
yeah,
sideways.
watch here.
Oh, this
So
is
you don't
gonna be
see all
fun.
my notifications. Boop, boop, boop. Let's see. So
Okay,
here's your normal calculator.
basic
If
sixth
you
grade.
turn it to the side, it opens up,
Whoa!
and you just have to be careful when you use it. So, like, say we wanted to find 85 or 88. So we plug our number in, and you press the square root button, right, if you can see it there. And you take the square root of it, and then we round.
Plus, you seriously need a calculator. In high school, you're going to need a calculator. It's time to buy yourself a calculator with the square root.
And Haroon, you can use, and you can use calculators on the test. Can we join Matt either? Yes,
Yes, Cameron. Hi, Cameron. I'm not your teacher. So glad you're here.
but yes, you can log in every single day. Like if you want to just like log in to see what's going on, join Math Chat every day just to make sure that all your questions are answered. Doesn't have to be me. Doesn't have to be Miss Shaw. Can be anyone.
Yeah.
I don't want it to
Oh, Cameron said hi to me.
Georgia, we can tell the difference between like looking down at a phone and checking. It's okay. It'll be fine. I'm a little confused on an equation that's both in vertex form and in that is both in vertex form.
All right, Angela, do you have a number on the review that we can do for you? We got whiteboards here, Angela. Tell us what number you would like.
Number 3.
Yeah, number
Someone's-
3D.
Someone's asking for number 3D.
3D. Oh, these are my favorite problems. I love it so much. Oh my
You
god.
want to do it?
Yeah. It's
Here,
yours.
you do
It's
it.
yours though. My knees are hurting.
You want to tell me what to do and
Okay,
I'll write
here
it
we go.
down? Number 3D.
Okay, 3D. So that's the equation.
Okay.
F of x is 2x squared plus 10x minus 9. Okay, they want us to find the rate of change, otherwise like the slope, from points 0 when x equals 0 and when x equals 3. So it's like we're going to have 2 points.
Is it x of 1 equals 0 or is it just x?
X equals, I don't know what it is. Let's see. Nope, x of 1 equals 0.
And x of 2,
That's kind of
Equals-
important. Okay.
3.
So
There we
watch
go.
this. So you guys already know how to find the slope if they gave you 2 points, right? So right now they're giving us a 0 something and 3 something. All you have to do is plug in zeros into this equation up here. Sorry, it's backwards. That's annoying, huh?
It's not backwards. It's backwards on our end, not their end.
Really?
Yeah.
That's weird.
Well, it's like when you flips around, when you take a photo like on a selfie.
Why
it
would
flips
they
around.
see something different?
I don't know.
Okay,
I
all
don't
right.
question it.
So 0 squared times 2, that's going to be 0. 10 times 0, 0. So if we plug in 0, the output, the y value is negative 9. Now we're going to do 3. Miss Farrell wants to do 3 really bad. All right.
We get, so 9 times 2 is 18. We get plus 30 minus 9, so
Wait.
18.
Okay.
Yeah, 18 plus 30 is 48 minus 9 is 39.
All right. 39. So we have our 2 points. And do you remember how to find slope, the difference of the y's over difference of the x's? That came from 7th grade, right?
And we can watch this. Ready?
Whoa, high tech right here. All right, take it away, Miss Farrell.
So then we plug in our y's and our x's. You can't.
Minus, okay.
Okay, so then we get to choose. You want to do, so let's do 39. How did you do that so nicely?
Thank you.
Minus 9.
Watch
And
out for the
then
double negative.
39 goes with 3, so we want 3 and 0.
Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful.
And so these become plus.
That's like 48
Which
over
was-
3.
Yep. And
48
can we
over 3.
simplify that? Yes. Really? Oh, yeah. Yes, we can.
All right. So our rate of change from those 2 points is 16. Come on. That is a good question. That algebra is on your test. If you don't know how to do 3D, rewind, watch this video over again. Yeah, it's Angela. Alicia. Oh, sorry. Ms. Rippey says hello. Anyways, that's a great question. Nice job asking that, Angela. Beautiful. Oh, maybe it wasn't Angela. It wasn't.
I don't know.
It was a guy. Sorry. We're not giving you credit. Oh, we are so bad. Look at that. Jeremy.
Jeremy. Now,
Nope.
can I get 4D shown?
Okay.
4D is the same thing, isn't it?
No way. Really?
I think so.
4D. Woo!
It's the same thing. You're just plugging in different numbers.
Yep.
But different equation.
Good questions. Nice.
I did a whole video on
Oh
it.
no. Ryan said, how would it be negative 9 if 0 squared is 1? 0 squared is not 1. Ryan. Oh, Ryan. That's mine. 0 times 0 is 0. Look,
I think he's thinking like a number to the 0 power
I
is
know,
1.
but this is more fun. If I go 0
pointing
times
up,
0 equals 0.
Jada, I saw your comment. If it's pointing up, is it concave up? Yeah. So what I'm talking about. So
The word up,
if I have so that is concave up.
or you could just show the page on the front of the review.
So if it's the other way, it's concave down.
Right? Then 132, do I have to relink it?
If you
You
don't get
just
all the
let it
questions
run.
done on the test, it automatically submits for you. So that's why you should open it
As soon as possible.
as soon as possible. So if you have something going on for like block 1, and it ends at 10:30, you still have an hour and a half to
To
take
do
the test, which is
Normal time.
which is
yeah.
the normal amount of time that you would get in class. Are you 0 times 1 is 0?
Yep.
Yeah, Chris. But we're
Georgia,
I'm
the answers are on the back of the page.
Are you going to post the repacket answers on? Oh no, she's out math 8.
Oh.
Math 8.
Oh, we've already gone into algebra hour. Sorry.
I know. I'll post them. I will post them, Georgia. Are any of the classes video chats between the teacher and students?
What?
What?
Ethan.
Wiseman?
Oh, Shusinski. Hi, Ethan. Yay, my algebra kids are on.
Are any of the class video chat? I don't understand that question. This
I
is
think
the
they want like a video, like
a
Do you
video.
want your face? Yeah, if we did Zoom, we could do that. Or Meet, Google Meet, we could see your face. But
Haroon, stop.
Oh, Cole. How do we tell if an equation is if it's concave up, it's a positive. So concave up would be like f of
your
x
A term, your first
is
number
like
from
x
S.
minus 3 squared plus 2.
Oh.
That would be concave up.
Or
If it has a negative, that means it's concave down.
there. Or if the number in front,
Well, yeah,
yeah, is positive. If it had a negative in front or a negative here, then it would be
concave down.
concave down. That was good.
Ethan Show doesn't get this.
How long is the test? Because I don't get this lesson.
Who said that?
Ethan
Ethan
Cho.
Cho.
I don't.
We don't. Who does Ethan Cho belong to? Do you have Ethan Cho?
I do.
All right, hold on. Ms. Rippey's going to yell at you. Ethan says he doesn't get anything. Would you yell at him?
I don't know what to tell you. Sucks to suck.
You always say that, and then you get 100% on the test.
Yeah, yeah.
You have 3 days of math chats. Have you done your review yet?
Yeah, do the review first, Ethan, and
Telling
then
me
meet
you
back
know
up with us.
nothing, ask questions, and then we can answer the specific questions. But saying you don't know how to do anything doesn't help us.
Can we do all the math chats like this, please?
What are we doing next class, Miss Shaw? You're taking the test.
We're going to Disneyland. Oh, no, we can't anymore. Oh, shoot. That was going to be your homework. I'm sorry. Oh, they
Jen
closed.
now keeps asking if they're gonna video themselves taking the test.
Yes, we're going to video you because we know you're big cheaters.
Are you watching?
Okay.
I'm done.
Are you
Done. No, we still have 5 more minutes
5
left.
more minutes of you guys torturing us on our days home. Ah,
Oh, we haven't even been home.
we haven't
yet.
been
We've
home.
been here since this morning.
We've been here all day, and I was here Saturday. We've been here Friday.
How will you watch us do? Do we always look at the y value? Oh, an actual
No,
question.
no. Oh, that's a good question.
Do we
Angela.
always look at the y value when we are looking at them for the minimum or no?
No,
You find
no.
the vertex, and if it's concave up, right here. So like right here, you would know that this is concave up, and then that would be your vertex, which would tell you it would be a minimum. I'm
Did
like,
Ethan Cho ask any other questions? Or you say I'm lost?
you do not look at the vertex and look at your a value to figure out if it's a minimum or a maximum.
Yeah, don't look at the Y.
Someone's asking if they're your favorite. Everyone's their favorite.
You're not cool enough, Ryan.
Wow.
You're even a stinker at home.
Can you explain 1C and 1D?
Yes. Oh, is that Jada?
Yeah, that's mine.
Oh, you're the best, Jada. All right. Gosh, you're
1C.
going fast. 1C. Okay. I love this.
is the function increasing or decreasing? So
So I'm going to show this graph. Is that okay? If
Yeah.
I just go in there real quick. Okay. When you read a graph, you read it from left to right. So literally just take your finger and just kind of move from left to right. And from here, do you notice?
if
Is
you
this
follow
okay?
it with your finger,
Yeah.
like if you take your finger and follow it, is my finger going up or down? It's going up, so it's increasing. At my vertex, it's neither. And now I'm going down, so that means it's decreasing right there.
So you just look at the little increment. That's on your test. What part they want you to look at, and then you'll figure out if it's going up or down.
3C, I think we already did 3C. Did we do 3C?
3C. No, we did D. Ooh, 3C. Axis of symmetry. What?
Did you finish all of math 8?
No.
All right. We're going to do 3C, everybody, on your review.
So 3C.
They want
right
the
here.
axis of symmetry.
So we need the points. So we need.
But we've been given
Oh, we just used
the
the.
equation in standard form. If you're given it in standard form, the vertex and axis of symmetry are kind of hard to see. So we have a special formula when we're given the standard form.
So that's our equation that we were given. Our equation to find axis of symmetry is negative b all over 2a.
Good.
Now we have to find b and a.
So B is 10
So we get x equals negative 10.
over, and then it's 2A. 2 times, and our A value is
Is
2
2.
also.
So we
Watch out for the
simplify-
negative. Every year, that's where students make their mistake. They mess up on the negative. So be careful. That's part of the equation.
So you get negative 10 over 4, and you would simplify that because 2 goes into both of them. So then we get negative 5 over 2.
Beautiful. And we need to write it as a line.
So
So
we get-
make sure you write, whoa.
Everything's sliding. I'm on a very small desk. X equals negative 5 all over 2. Ooh, look at how nice that is.
Nice.
7D. Someone's asking for 7D.
We did not do 7D. Oh, do not make us graph it. Who? Bean, why are you trying to torture us? Okay. Ugh, to
You
graph.
just make a table of values and you plot those points. That's
you,
it.
You can also tell it's in standard form. You can tell where it starts.
And you're also given vertex form, so you have, and then just reflect your y-intercept over your axis of symmetry, which goes through your vertex. That means you have 3 points, which is enough to graph it.
So it's got in standard form, you can see that it starts, look at the y-intercept is at 6. Do you see that? That's our C term. So that's where your graph would start. You would start at y equals 6 right here. And then
You're
listen to
given
Ms.
ver-
Farrell.
You're
Go ahead.
given vertex form right here. So you
Lower.
can.
Oh, there you go. No, actually,
okay.
that's good.
That's my vertex form, so I can graph my vertex. And we know our axis of symmetry goes through our vertex, so we can reflect our y-intercept over it to get the other point, which would be like right over here. And then we would graph it.
That was good. Good question, Bean. What else do we have, Grandpa?
You can stop with the chin woo.
I know, I
thing. It's
blocked him.
ridiculous.
I'm gonna
5E.
5E.
5E. 5E.
Epic movie player, stop it.
What is that?
Okay, you work on that. I'll find that.
5E.
5E, standard form of the equation. So you're just doing your area model, or you're just multiplying binomials. So we have,
Oh, gosh.
They've asked 100 times how we're gonna watch another test. I'm just ignoring that question.
x plus 3 squared minus 10. This is 5e. Okay, so that's our equation. We're going to equals f of x. Let me put that in. We have to find out what this is. So we can use our area model. That's the one I'm going to do for you. So we have x minus 3, x minus 3. We're multiplying, so x times x is x squared. These are negative 3x, negative 3x. Negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. Group like terms, so we have these, and those. So we get negative x squared minus 6x plus 9 minus 10. So now we have to distribute the negative. to every piece right here. So we get negative x squared plus 6x minus 9 minus 10. Combine like terms. So I'm going to write it on another board after I erase it. Is negative x squared plus 6x minus 19 equals f of x. My writing is horrible.
That's okay. All of us have.
Oh, it's 2:00. They're lucky you're even staying on.
I know. Okay. Are there any other questions? I think I'm going to end this. When do you have to put y equals?
It's online, so don't. it'll do it for you.
You'll be fine. It's online. Oh gosh. Any last minute questions? Can you do?
Jeremiah Saw, I am very upset with you. You should have been here a half hour ago.
Jeremiah, you're busted. Mr.
Jada, you're the
Block.
last one.
Don't worry, we're doing it again tomorrow. We have a teacher here every day of the week. If you're confused. for
Number
anything.
13 is my last problem.
Oh.
I know. Number 13.
I love 13. Who asked for 13?
Jada.
Jada, you're the best. Woo!
Okay, so number 13, you can do it. Do you want to do, Jada, do you want to do area model or
Distributing.
distributing, double distribute?
How long is this chat?
Or it's they went late. I know we used that. But I don't want to do it by myself. This is way more fun.
Um,
What
What do you mean?
I need to know what quizzes we use in our thing. No, well.
Jada, what do you want to do?
Yeah, they're right here. Because Alicia said that, oh, you guys are putting a chart or something, right? Yeah. I feel like Josh said that.
It doesn't matter. Okay. Since I did area model, I'll do double distribute. So we have y equals x minus 3, x plus 7. This is number 13. Can I do both? Yeah. So our area model, we got boom, boom, x minus 3, x plus 7. You multiply them out, so you get x squared. These, so x times negative 3 is negative 3x. 7 times x is 7x. And negative 3 times 7 is negative 21. Combine like terms, so we get x squared plus 4x minus 21 equals y. So that's your final answer. Or you can double distribute. So we get x times x plus 7 minus 3 times x plus 7. That's a 3. We distribute. So we get x squared plus 7x minus 3x minus 21. Combine like terms, so we get x squared minus or plus 4x minus 21 equals y. And they're the same answer. Jada, does that make sense?
Jeremiah, look at the schedule on Google Classroom.
Okay. Good luck, everyone. Rippy's going to be here tomorrow. Look at it tomorrow, and that's when it's available. Bye.
Oh, look, great book. Okay, so how that works. So once you assign it, once you